Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it today? We bring you a tip so that the aluminum, foil, plastic, and other things do not come off when you grab a piece, since as you see it does not come attached to anything. For this we are going to make some small cuts on the sides of the box, as shown in the video. We grab a knife or exact to make 2 cuts in the shape of a triangle, so that the tip of it is facing down. Always do it very carefully so as not to cut yourself or hurt yourself. Since you made the cuts, it will look like this. Now we push the cardboard inward so that the roll is secured. We turn the box over and repeat the same process to secure both sides so that there is no problem when removing the paper. Always remember to do it very carefully so as not to cut yourself or hurt yourself. Now we check that the roll doesn't come out, and so we can use it with confidence. As you can see, it doesn't come out, and you can pull it as hard as you can. It's worth mentioning that many of these packages already have the marks to secure the roll, so take a look and use them. CC by Antarctica Films, Argentina. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, which is the most important thing. I hope it is useful, and remember to check out the other videos because I assure you that you will find one that will be useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thanks.